So we're gonna put the basic emergency preparedness kit together today.
Awesome.
No matter where you live in the country, you should have a preparedness kit.
And this is for like what type of emergency?
All
emergencies.
emergencies.
Like a couple.
I mean, whether it's a flood, a tornado, a hurricane, wildfires. Well, let's start with a few products. A 5-gallon bucket works very good, just a clean 5-gallon bucket, because it'll keep everything watertight.
Okay.
So everything, you can put everything in your kit basically inside here. Keep it, stores real nice. You get these at the local hardware store. So
what else do we have?
First aid kit.
Okay.
The nurses showed about a first aid kit, what you need in a first aid kit.
We just saw all the details. Remember, you have to customize it for your family.
That's right.
What else do
Blanket.
we have here?
A blanket.
A blanket.
So,
perfect.
you know, you're going to get wet and possibly you're going to be cold. So a blanket is very important.
For each member of the family, of course.
Each member should have at least one blanket.
Perfect.
Water. Water is extremely important.
Okay.
15-gallon of water per person. So we'll just put a few of these items. So these items will fit into the bucket. We have a document holder.
Okay.
So driver's license, passport, things that extra cash.
It's important.
People don't think, you know, we're in a credit card, debit card type world, but none of that's going to work. So if there's no power, nobody's going to take a credit card.
I was a victim of that, yeah.
So you definitely need some extra cash.
What
Some
is that?
basic hygiene supplies.
Perfect.
You need to wash your hands, you know, keep everything sanitized. 7-day supply if you're on medications.
Perfect.
So anybody has medications, a minimum of 7 days. Okay?
Okay.
Here's a bit paper map. During an emergency, you may not have power. So your phone GPS may not work, especially roads are covered. You may not know different ways in and out.
And we can't rely on technology because we don't even know if we're going to have signal or not. We have 2 more guests who are going to be joining us. We met them at the beginning. We have Nurse Blake and Nurse Alice. And Chief Miller is explaining us on the preparedness kit. You can finish up.
Okay.
What else do we have?
The paper maps, we have flashlight. Flashlight's always important because there's probably no power, so you're going to be in the dark if you don't have a flashlight.
And enough batteries, right?
That's right. Batteries. Can't say enough about batteries. Make sure you have different size batteries. Multi-use tool.
I don't even know what that's for.
Oh, anything that you need is right here. It's got pliers. It's got screwdrivers. You never know what you're going to have to do after a storm. Weather radio.
Perfect.
So this one has a crank on it, so you don't have to have batteries.
Perfect.
But you also will get your local news,
okay,
your local radio channels, and your weather on it. So very important.
And then lastly,
food. You always need food.
Non-perishable food.
Non-perishable food. You can't say enough about that. You're going to get hungry.